What's up, y'all? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you been? Okay, so today I am back in the kitchen and I am going to be making a quick dinner for us. What I'm going to be making is fish po' boy sandwiches with my homemade tartar sauce and some homemade hamburger sub. I'm making that for my husband because he don't eat fish. So, yeah. I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. And I hope you guys have been having a nice week. So, anyway, yeah. I just had to say that a little bit just to get this thing going. But anyway, yeah, let me get my little stuff set up and we can get started. I got my patties going. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get it on started. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, I got my fish right here, and it's just 4 pieces of tilapia, and I'm just about to get the seasoning this so I can get it battered and get it frying for the sandwiches or whatever. Y'all, bear with me, but I got all these mustard packs that I have or whatever, and I'm trying to use all this stuff up before I go and buy, you know, any more mustard or ketchup or mayonnaise, because I bought them by the whole case because I used to sell dinners and stuff, so I still have that stuff and I don't want it to go to waste. But anyway, on this fish I'm adding some mustard. Let me see if I get it. Okay, so we got some mustard on this fish, right? And I'm going to mix everything together in just a second. So I have some Slap Your Mama seasoning that I'm going to be adding. Some Old Bay. A little seasoning salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. So, let me get this meat seasoned up. And I'm going to toss this in some cornmeal. I ain't going to do nothing too special to it because I just don't want to take away from the flavor of fish since it's going to be on bread anyway. So I don't want to add too much bread to my fish. And I ain't got, okay. I got some, and look at all that just, okay. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so we got my seasoning salt. Season it lightly, don't over season. Did I add my Old Bay? I think I did. Okay. Some garlic powder. And I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I ain't even put no Slap Your Mama on the thing. Y'all, I'm so sidetracked. So anyway, Slap Your Mama, Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, and mustard. And I'm just gonna, you see how my onion powder just all clumped up together? So I'm just gonna rub this all over my fish. Okay. And then I'm gonna get my cornmeal, and my cornmeal is seasoned already. Season it to your taste, however you would like to season it. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna get this on breaded up, then I'll meet you at the stove. Okay, y'all. So now I'm gonna get this fish going. I got my patties over here. They're done. I got the cheese on them and everything. And when I get ready to make those up, you will see what those looking like. So I'm gonna take my fish, put it in my bag. I already showed y'all how I fry my fish, y'all. Let me just get this together. So let me shake this up in the bag. Okay. Let's taste my grease, see if it's ready. And it is. Ooh. I hate these little eyes to get me raw. Okay, so I'm gonna drop me a piece of fish down in that grease. Let me turn it up a little bit more. It is hot, but Yeah, get a little bit more hotter. Try to get all these in here. Turn it up a little bit more. Okay. Drop that down in there. Drop this one down in here. Alright, let that fry. And then while that's frying, okay, I'm gonna let that fry. While that's frying, I'm gonna get these burgers out the pan and get this pan washed up because I want to toast my bread. So I'll be right back once I get my pan washed up and everything. Okay, y'all, so now I have my bread. Y'all, if I'm going back and forth, you notice the camera going in and out. I'm over here frying my okra. Okay, so now I have my bread knife and I have some French white bread. And and I have my, I guess it's a bread knife. If it ain't, it's gonna be one today. So I'm gonna take my bread and I'm just going to just cut it just like you do your sub bread. And this is gonna be for 3 subs. Okay? And I just want to toast this bread with me some butter on the stove. Okay? So let me see. Yeah, that's good right there. So now I'm just, I should have cut it the other way, but it'll be alright. I'll cut that one like that. Okay. So now I'll cut that in 3 pieces, right? Okay. So now I'm about to get me some butter on this bread, and I'm gonna get it on the stove to toast it up on the inside, just to add a little bit more flavor. All right. So I got my pan on. And let me see, what kind of butter do I want? Do I want my garlic butter? I got some garlic butter, y'all, but I think I'm going to just go with the regular butter today. And I'll cut almost a little too far into this bread, but it'll be alright because it's going to get ate up anyway. So just put some butter on the bread. You okay? Just like so. And take the bread and lay it in here and let it toast up. And then do the rest of them the same way. So, make your hamburger sub just like you would like your hamburger. My husband, he don't eat mayonnaise, he don't eat tomato or nothing like that. So, I'm going to make it like he like it. And if I had some bacon, I would put some bacon on it, but I ain't got no bacon today, but we're gonna have to do with that. But it's still gonna be good. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my barbecue sauce to his. He loves barbecue sauce on his burgers. So that's what I'm gonna make for him. Barbecue sauce on his burger with a little lettuce on there, and he's gonna be good to go. But however you like it. See, if it was my burger, I'll put me some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese. I have all that on mine. And if you like pickles, add that to it. And that's how you make a hamburger sub. So I'm just letting that toast up real nicely. Okay. Let that finish toast and turn it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Y'all, this is gonna be so good. I'm gonna put it right here because I'm gonna fix this up right here so y'all can see this thing. Let it toast a little bit more. Toast your bread like you like it. And I got my little barbecue sauce mixture right here. Y'all, that barbecue sauce is the bomb. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, y'all see that bread nice and toasty. All right, so let me get me another piece on over here, and then we're gonna get to putting this burger together. All right, so we're gonna take your hamburger slices and put them on your bread. Hold on, y'all. Let me get these out this pan real quick. All right, that's my okra. And I'm gonna put a little Old seasoning on that. And that's it for them. Okay, so let me turn this down a little bit. All right, so this is how I'm gonna do this burger. Okay, so I'm gonna take that right there, what we got, and then I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce to it. Just put how much barbecue sauce you would like. Okay, so that's about good enough. I'm gonna put a little bit more because he like it, y'all. Okay, so that's the barbecue sauce. Then I'm gonna take some lettuce and put it right on here. He don't like a lot of lettuce either, so I'm not gonna put a lot. Okay, let me check this bread real quick. Let me let that toast just a little bit more. Okay, and this is the burger. This is the hamburger sub. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that's that sub, y'all. Now we're gonna get this on over here and get this other bread on here, and I'm gonna show y'all how I make the po' boy. Just fold that up, cut into it one more time, and look, delicious, y'all. Just delicious. Okay, so hold on. You get you some potato chips to go with that, French fries, whatever. And you got a quick meal. Look at her. You got a quick meal. All right. So hold on again. Okay, y'all. So now we're about to put together this fish po' boy. So we have our fish. Okay, so hold on. Wait, moving too fast for my britches. Let me get some more fish. Okay, we have our homemade tartar sauce first, y'all. It's a little bit looser than what I would like, but it's all because of the type of mayonnaise that you use. And like I told y'all, I'm just trying to use up what I got. So I wouldn't use the type of mayonnaise that I used. I would use a little more thicker mayonnaise to make my tartar sauce. So you got that. Then you're gonna lay your fish on there. Okay. And then you're gonna squeeze you a little lemon over it. Like so. Ooh, fish and lemon, I swear, good combination. You can add you some tomatoes, onions, whatever you would like. Okay. And then just take some lettuce and put it on top of that. Close it up, and that's your fish po' boy. Alright, so hold on, y'all. So now look, that's the fish po' boys, and they are so delicious, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna lay that right there. Presentation is the key, you guys. It don't matter if you serving to your family. It don't matter if you serving to your family. You still want it to look delicious. Okay? So, you get some of the okra and put it on this plate. And there you have it. My fish po' boy and fried okra. Alright? So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys try my recipe. Y'all comment down below, because I knew somebody gonna have something to say about this recipe. I know you is. I know you is. You ain't human if you don't comment on this video. You feel me? So, until next time, y'all be blessed. This your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Peace, love, and happiness.